Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Sump Pump battery backup power system. It's a 2500 watt uninterruptible power source. So what you can do, this is really cool. You can plug your stuff in here. Got your power here, your plugs, breaker. Over here is where you're gonna hook up the battery cables. So this will go to the battery. I got a deep cycle battery here, and then a submersible sewage pump. Also can act as a sump pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook all three of these together. It comes with a power cord, so you can plug that power cord right in here. It has a couple of fans in here too. We'll go ahead and pop these off, pop this one off, and hook up these cords right here. All right, here's how I have this thing put together. Got the cable, and then the washer, then the lock washer, then the nut, 14 millimeter. And I'll go ahead and put these caps back on here. Got the caps back on. That way it'll keep, if anything drops on there or here, it won't arc. The kit comes with a 14 millimeter and 17 millimeter wrench too. The 14 fits both of these cables here. Since this is a backup battery source, we're normally going to keep it powered up. Its primary power is going to be AC, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Okay, you see this here? That means my battery needs to be charged up some more. Give me a little kind of a alarm signal. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge the battery up. Okay, I've got it plugged into my power source here. So I got AC power coming in. Right now what it's doing, because I have it off, it's charging my battery for me. You can hear the fan going. So it's real nice if you keep your battery topped off. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and get my sump pump ready to go. So here's the plug for the pump. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and hook a hose up to this and then fill it up with water. See how quick we can pump it out. Okay, I got the hose hooked up to the pump. There's where we're going to pump it out. I'm just filling this up with water right now. Got that pump plugged in to the power source here. It's off right now. Charging the battery. Okay, while that's filling up down there, what I aim to show you is that once you have an interruption in your power coming into this, so I'm going to unplug this, it kicks onto the battery power once you lose AC power. So this is your primary. Say you have a power outage, this thing will save you. It'll keep your sump pump working even though you don't have any power coming in. And it'll just operate off this deep cycle battery here once the power's off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let that run. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So now we'll turn it on. Now we're on. Now we're pumping. Oh yeah. Pump's working good. I'll get a handle on this. Alright, it's pumping out. Got some serious pressure behind this too. Pretty incredible. It's actually pumping out faster than it's pumping in. You can see it. It's depleting quicker than it's filling up because it's pumping out quicker. Okay, good. It shut off like it should. Now what I'm going to do, let it fill up some more, and then I'm going to unplug the power here. Turn that off for now. All right, it's filling up. Now I'm going to show you. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Pump will activate here. Let's get our pump going. Got the pump going good. Now let's say we're out of juice here. Just unplug the power. Look at that. You can hear the pump still going. Still pumping like mad. Pumping really good. Got no power going to this except for the battery. So it just switched over immediately to battery power once I unplug this. Power's off. This thing also comes with a little ground cable too, so you just install this right here and then you can put the other side to something that's you ground it to.